Welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. Today I'm doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kenna. So each month I pay $25 for BoxyCharm, which is a makeup and beauty subscription. It comes with 5 full-size products. Here on my channel I just test out these products with you and tell you what I think. Before I jump into the box, I always take a look inside and get ready for what I'm going to need. I already have full base makeup on. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started in the box. Okay. So this month's theme is BoxyCharm Flourish. The first thing that's popping out is this. This is the Lavish Essential Eye Collection brush set, and it retails for $30. So this is what they look like. 5 brushes here, nice and soft. We will need to use these in just a little bit, so let's move on. I'm gonna go with this right here. This is the TARTE Shape Tape Glow Wand, and this retails for $27. It says you can apply it 4 different ways to glow: over Shape Tape Concealer, alone for no makeup magic, mixed with moisturizer primer, or on high points of the face, collarbones, and decollagent. I don't know what that is. So I already have full face on, so I'm just gonna kind of use it to highlight, I guess, under my eye a little bit more, and here, I guess. Comes with a little sponge. And this is in the shade A Light. Pull back my bangs a little bit. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Okay, not sure I applied that correctly, but hey, whatever. It did brighten up my under eyes just a little bit and give a little bit of a glow. So, okay, moving on. I'm gonna go ahead and we'll go with the eyeshadow palette now. Next, this is the KAB Cosmetics Day to Night eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $52. Here are all the colors. These are some gorgeous colors. I did swatch a couple. Let's start a look. I'm gonna zoom you in. Let's start off with Halo. Use this brush that came with the Lavish eye brush set. Go with Cocoa with this angled brush. Take sand with this brush here and just kind of blend it in together with cocoa. drag it into halo just a little bit. Twinkle Twinkle. Use my finger, put it on the halo color. And take this brush with Cocoa and go on my lower lash line. And then with this last brush, I'm gonna put Sunset in my inner corner and on my brow bone. The eyeshadow palette's really pretty. It's not as pigmented on my, it doesn't seem to be as pigmented on my eyelids as like when I swatch it, but it's very pretty. Just have to play with it a little bit more. And the brushes were very nice. There wasn't much fallout with this, so that's a bonus. I'm gonna move into the next thing on in the box, and that's this right here. This is the Tristique Brow Pencil and Brow Gel in Americano, and this retails for $26. So this is a pretty big pencil. So I'm gonna fill in my brows with the pencil side. That's what the tip looks like. So let's try it out. Alright, I don't really care for that too much. We'll see what the brow gel's like. It looks like there's a long side. You see that? And then a short side. So I'm gonna use the long side because I imagine I'd get less product. Switch into the short side. I'm just gonna say this is probably not a brow product that I will gravitate towards too much. I will still play with it, figure it out, but so far not so good. I'm gonna go quickly finish my eyes up and I'll be right back. All right, and now to the last thing in the box, which you can't really see, is this. This is the Sofia and Mabel Hydrating Hybrid 2-in-1 Lipstick Lip Balm, and this retails for $15. This is in the shade Topless. That's what it looks like. Oh. Nice nude color, so let's go ahead and apply it. It smells pretty good. It's nice and soft on the lips, very nude color, I like it. I guess that looks okay with this eye look. All right, that's everything in my box. Let me go ahead and add it all up. After adding everything up in my box, the retail value of the full box is $150. All right, that's pretty amazing. Especially if I went out and got, you know, this thing by itself, which is $27. That's more than what I paid for the box. Again, I paid $25 a month for the box to get these full-size products. The colors in the palette are absolutely gorgeous. I can create some really pretty good looks with this. I like the look I created. It's nice and soft, subtle. The brushes worked out really well. This gave me a nice little glow underneath my eyes. Really pretty color. Nice and soft on the lips. This thing, the brow product, I don't know, I'm just gonna have to play with it. It looks okay on my brows, but I don't like the application so much, so just have to play with it. So I just want to give a quick shout out to A Man's 2 Cents, which is an Etsy store. You can also follow them on Instagram and Facebook. I'll leave their tag up here. They just create such adorable candles. Here is one that I got. The detailing is so intricate, it's absolutely beautiful and smells amazing. Here's another one. This one is Fruity Pebbles, and it absolutely smells exactly like Fruity Pebble cereal. I just want to eat it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to light it. So go check them out. Again, A Man's 2 Cents candle store you can find on Etsy, Instagram, and Facebook. So other than that, I am all done, and if you also are subscribed to BoxyCharm, let me know in the comments down below what you got in your box. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and until next time, bye!